Oshani Adom Koyensen for Flomo na Ghana College of Physicians and Surgeons so one more they told Ministry of Health and Ghana Health Service and him obese woman idia mu akade bia wo mu hia se be ye wo mu agent ya be ya doctor for wo man Ghana mu no won sabe kanon penifo ma won mo sa akade no wo mu adi wo mu finhye aduo no 20th anniversary wo mo plan e ho ensem bi ene niam bi a wo mu susu se wo mu nya ebeboa mu adwuma na ye fa ya kono no ene odin semi to Adom TV etwaso
in Shema Ghana College of Physicians and Surgeons for Asia in Central Fono Eyadia na womo ede dwendwene kwan a womo ebefa so edi womo 20th anniversary ene ohaw awodo a womo efem na womo ekomonim no de womo ebeye leading member Edema Council of College no Professor Paul Kwame Nyame ensem odi to dwani
me hu say be kan about doctor to population ratio na 1 to 10,000 so you do be say 1 to 3,000. So we are almost approaching the WHO prescription. You feel say bet my abrosa. Seniama college no here. She said doctors are mobile training no. One musika say they support one. And the hospitals so equipment say here they be training no. And specialists are penifo na bia wama doso mo baby. One place I see a mom called transfer will be Kobwa near training so
Sa college yi eyade a womo ye sene womo edebeboa omanfo amomunya entitiye efa enuro ho eye medicine nanso no womo ewo ohaw awodo eno so sei no kirem
ya pese nka medical schools no yenya bi kan ho ne ya ho dada no so nka ye bai mu na ne ye bai mu no de just nipa e fa komu no komu ndo so nchen se ne ye fa no na no de ya hu bibi so number of the students are medical schools no fa no any dental schools no fa no won enkosoro kakra
rector no eneda college ya no Professor Richard Adanu enso edin semse na tudwa.
One major challenge is the provision of appropriate equipment in the hospitals, because we can only train specialists in well-equipped hospitals. Right now, our main training centers are Kolibu and Komfanochi, where we do all our specialty training. And then there's 37 Ridge Hospital, Cape Coast Teaching Hospital, Ho Teaching Hospital, and Tamale Teaching Hospital, where they train about ranging from 3 to 6 specialties. We want to spread the training to other hospitals. We are targeting the regional hospitals, but we need these hospitals to be fully equipped for the specialist training.